Fonotus Independence Mercedes-Benz 109 SL. Price $49,950. Location Ohio. The 1956 Mercedes-Benz 190 SL is a true symbol of timeless elegance, blending classic European design with the spirit of open-top motoring. This early production roadster stands out not only for its graceful lines and iconic silhouette, but also for its rare original factory color, graphite gray metallic, an authentic highly prized among collectors. Even in its current white finish, the car radiates sophistication and vintage charm that instantly captures attention. The design of the 190 SL reflects the golden age of automotive artistry, with smooth curves, chrome accents, and a perfectly balanced stance. From the gleaming bumpers with overriders to the removable hardtop, every detail tells a story of craftsmanship and luxury. The 13-inch steel wheels with chrome trim and thin white-wall tires complete the authentic 1950s look, making this car a rolling piece of history. The driving experience is powered by a 1.9-liter inline-4 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Equipped with dual Solex carburetors, the engine delivers a smooth and engaging performance that prioritizes comfort and style over raw speed. This is a car built for scenic drives, coastal roads, and relaxed touring, offering a connection between driver and machine that modern cars often lack. The interior showcases understated elegance with gullwing-style seats, a classic 2-spoke steering wheel, and a beautifully simple dashboard layout. The VDO instrument cluster includes a 140mm speedometer, a 7,000 RPM tachometer, and essential gauges, all designed with clarity and function in mind. Vintage touches like the push-button AM/FM radio and analog clock add to the nostalgic atmosphere inside the cabin. What makes this particular example even more exciting is its potential. Recently taken out of storage and currently not in running condition, it offers a unique opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. With the right vision and care, this 190 SL can be brought back to life, transforming it into a show-stopping classic or a valuable collector's piece. The 190 SL was developed during a legendary era and shares its DNA with one of the most iconic sports cars ever built. That heritage is evident in every curve and detail, making it more than just a car. It's a legacy on wheels. Owning this roadster means becoming part of a story that has inspired generations of automotive enthusiasts. The opportunity to own a classic like this doesn't come often, especially at such an attractive price point. Whether you're a collector, a restorer, or simply someone who appreciates timeless beauty, this 1956 Mercedes-Benz 190 SL offers the perfect canvas to create something truly special.